Everyone, we are going to start our excursion sightseeing in Alcudia area. Now at this moment we are in the port of Alcudia, as you know, and we are going now to another area that belongs to Alcudia also, that is called Aucanara. Port of Alcudia. Kleine Erklärung und nach dieser Erklärung über die lange gleiche Strecke zurücknehmen und dann geht es weiter bis ganz aufwärts am Kleinbahnstadt. Abseits von Alcudia, da aussteigen, Colonia de San Pere, also 5 verschiedenen Urlaubsorte bei der zweiten großen Bucht Mallorcas, Bucht von Alcudia, Bahia de Alcudia. Dritte große Bucht, das wäre jetzt hier links von uns. Also hier sind wir sozusagen so wie auf einer Halbinsel. Links ist die Bucht von Pollença, Bahia de Pollença.
Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So this morning we went on a little tour bus to a local market where we just had a little look around and they just show us some of the surroundings of Mallorca, just places like that, and it was really nice. And I didn't actually buy anything but went to the toilet and that. It was 50 cents to go to the toilet, but some of the others went somewhere else and it was like €1 just to go for a toilet. Anyway, we're back now, and as you can see, I am actually in my swimming costume because it is so hot. Like, I think today has been the hottest day, so I'm going to be going into the swimming pool now. I'm not quite sure if we're going in the big swimming pool or the small swimming pool. We did decide to go in the big one, but I'm not quite sure if we are or not because we haven't been in the big swimming pool yet. We've only been in the small one, but it depends on where the adults want to go because the small swimming pool is just outside our sort of apartment building over there, and the bigger one is just a bit further, so I don't know. I'm just going to go past the small one. If they're not there, I'm just going to go straight to the big one. So yes, it's so hot, I'm going to have to keep these on, but I don't know if I want to wear sunglasses. Oh, I can't keep these off, or if I want to wear goggles, but probably we wear goggles. Anyway, let's go straight to swimming. I won't be taking my phone because I don't know, it's just too hot. I'm gonna leave it in the apartment for when I get back. I did film some clips this morning though of the the bus sort of tour as well. But yeah, I'm not quite sure what the plan is for the evening either, but I'll try and get some more vlog footage because I haven't really been getting a lot of vlog footage from the past few days, so I'm going to try and get a lot tonight. However, let's go and have a nice swim, and when I get back I'll just have a shower and then I'll catch up with you guys. But yeah, let's go do some swimming. So guys, I am back from swimming now, and I have had a shower and just dried my hair, and now it looks really puffy and soft and I really like it. Oh, and I just used my nan's, Nanny Carol's hairdryer, that's what it's called. So I've just got to pop downstairs and give that back. Oh my god, what are you doing? Yes, he is. You're a weirdo. Go away, Buzz. But yeah, so I'm going to drop that downstairs and then we're going to go out to somewhere near Yum Yums. And if we don't really find anywhere that we like or that the children like, we're going to go back into Yum Yums as that place was really good. So yeah, and I've got a really bad burn on my face.
Shut up. Bye.
Your dad's a weirdo.
You're welcome. You have a 9.
So guys, we're now back from dinner and we, in the end, went to Yummy Yummy. And I had exactly the same as I did last time, so I didn't film it. Just because I knew that it tasted really nice. And then afterwards, I got my hair done, which is really, really cool. I might just get my mum to just film around it. But yeah, I really, really like it. And I just got blue little loom band things. All got an itchy face. But yeah, and then I'll probably just put my hair in a ponytail tomorrow. Just going to have like a beach day tomorrow. If it's really good weather. And then Thursday we're on the boat. But yeah, that's what I'm doing so far. So you'll probably next see me when I'm going to bed because I'm just going to chill out and things. But Wednesday at the beach I'll be able to get a load of footage. And on Thursday as well, jumping in and doing all of that stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I go to bed. So everyone, I'm now in my pyjamas or Oxford Eagles top and I'm now going to get to bed and I do not need to end the vlog as Wednesday is going to be part of this vlog as well, and I'll start a new on Thursday for when we go on the amazing boat trip, which I'm really, 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 really looking forward to. So yeah, I've now just got to go to sleep and tonight I'm actually really tired, like I'm just about to yawn. Anyway, yeah, so I'll see you in the morning. So guys, it is now the morning and today I'm wearing my Tokyo white top with my swimming costume underneath because the weather is really, really nice today, so we are going to have a beach day today. And then we've got the boat tomorrow, which I'm really, 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 really looking forward to. I'm also wearing these shorts again because these are my favourite shorts. Also with my sliders, but yeah, and I also need to take my goggles because I'm going to try and swim the sea, but apparently you have to go quite far out to be able to get that far. But anyway, we'll see. I am actually taking my phone because obviously we're going to be there for the whole day. But yeah, I'm going to try and get as much as I can filmed of me and other people. But yeah, my hair is still looking nice. I need to just brush this back bit and we're going to leave and we're going to see how much it is to get the boat down to the beach. But if it's too expensive, we're just going to walk to the beach. But yeah, so yeah, let's go to the beach. So guys, we're now back from the beach and I'm going to be very quiet because I'm in a communal sort of quiet space. Sort of, yeah, anyway, some other people like over there. Anyway, got my purse and we're just about to go to dinner. Now, they were saying that we were going to Yummy again. But like, we've already been there twice, but they have got a lot of different range of things, but I'm not quite sure where we're going yet. So we'll have to wait and see, but yeah. So I'm just waiting for everyone else to come downstairs, got my purse here, and yeah, let's have some dinner.